Before you use any herbal remedy, watch this. Before you use any herbal remedy, there is something very important most people ignore. And ignoring it can slowly damage your body, even though the remedy is natural. Why this message matters. Herbal medicine is powerful. Plants, roots, and leaves carry strong natural compounds. That power is the reason herbs can heal. But it is also the reason herbs can harm when used wrongly. Many people assume that because something is natural, it is automatically safe. That belief has caused more damage than most people realize. Natural healing requires wisdom, not guesswork. Common herbal mistakes people make. Let's talk about some of the most common mistakes people make when using herbal remedies. First mistake, wrong dosage. Taking more herbs does not mean faster healing. In fact, too much of certain herbs can stress the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. Second mistake, mixing herbs carelessly. Not all herbs work well together. Some combinations cancel each other's effects, while others create unwanted reactions. Third mistake, long-term use without breaks. Some herbs are meant to be used for a short period, not every day for months. Using herbs continuously without rest can weaken the body instead of strengthening it. Fourth mistake, ignoring existing health conditions. People with low blood pressure, kidney issues, liver problems, pregnant women, and those on medication must be especially careful. An herb that helps one person can harm another. How to use herbs safely and wisely. If you want to benefit from herbal medicine, safety must come first. Start with small amounts and observe how your body responds. Never rush natural healing. Avoid mixing multiple herbs unless you understand how they interact. More is not always better. Take breaks when using herbs regularly. Rest periods allow the body to rebalance and prevent overload. If you are on medication or managing a serious health condition, seek guidance before using herbal remedies. Wisdom protects life. This channel is not about shortcuts or miracle claims. It is about helping you understand herbal healing responsibly. True healing supports the body, not damages it quietly. When used correctly, herbs can be powerful allies. When used carelessly, they can become hidden problems. If you want to learn natural healing without harm, subscribe to Rooted Healing TV. Here, we share herbal knowledge with clarity, caution, and respect for the body. Subscribe and grow in natural wellness wisely.